Today I want to speak specifically to single mothers because if you are a single mother in Kenya, you should actually consider starting an online business in Kenya that can be able to provide you with time, location, and financial freedom. This is because an online business model allows you to be able to monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, hobbies, the passions that you have, as well as life experiences by leveraging the power of the internet to actually make money online. And the beauty of this is that you can be able to do this from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your village, meaning you are not limited to where you can be able to do this, where you can be able to actually make money or build an income generating online business in Kenya. And I'll be honest with you, I think I have a very soft spot for single mothers in Kenya. And this comes from the fact that I was raised by a single mother. I could see the struggles that my mother went through. Maybe times were different because that was in the 80s and early 90s. But if you think of the struggles that a single mother goes through, I think they are the same, and especially where money is related, where you do not have enough to take care of your kids. Equally, I have relatives who are single mothers, and I can still see the struggles that they go through to raise their kids. And also, I have friends who are single mothers, and I still see them having the same struggles. Which is why probably I have, created this particular video trying to encourage you, if you're a single mother, to actually consider starting an online business in Kenya. This is like my gift to you if you're a single mother in Kenya, because it would really warm my heart if you can be financially stable, if you can have the freedom that comes with the ability to be able to generate some revenues for yourself, to be able to cover your bills, to be able to cover the expenses, to be able to pay for the things that you need to pay without much struggle. And the good thing is, I believe you have everything that you need to actually build a successful and profitable online business in Kenya as a single mother. All you need is your phone, a laptop, and internet connection. And if you stick with me on this YouTube channel, chances are that you are going to learn everything that you need to learn to build a successful online business in Kenya. As I have mentioned, and one of the benefits that you can have from actually starting an online business in Kenya is that you can be able to make money from the internet. Now, I know there are quite a number of videos probably available that you can watch that talk about this particular subject of how you can be able to make money online. And I think even the government these days keeps talking about it, that you can just finger your computer and you'll make some money from the internet. Now, the idea is correct. Probably the implementation might be different. But what I'm talking about here is not just getting an online job, not just being able, to get hired to do online jobs, the writing jobs that I hear people do and all that. What I'm really talking about here is you being able to create an income generating online business in Kenya. And there are quite a number of online business ideas or online business models that you can pursue and be able to build them and turn them into cash flow generating assets for yourself. Some of these are things that you already know. For example, you can start a blog and build it into an income generating online business. You can actually also start a YouTube channel and over time turn it into an online business. You can do affiliate marketing. You can sell your own digital products. If you are a consultant or have something that you can be able to turn into a coaching business, you can do the same, leveraging the internet to build your business. And even beyond those things, you can actually be able to monetize or make money by talking or leveraging your hobbies, your passion, and life experiences. If you go online right now, if you go and search on Google or on YouTube, you're going to find a lot of people who share their stories of being single mothers, or actually their stories of being a mother. You'll find women who share stories about how they have overcome debt, how they have been able to pay their debts, how they have been able to build an income generating side hustle even as they do other things from home. There are quite a number of things that you can be able to do, and there are as many niches as there are ideas that you can be able to turn into an income generating online business in Kenya. Starting an online business in Kenya as a single mother is not complicated, but it's equally not as easy. You'll be required to actually invest time, probably, and resources doing some research, investing in learning how online businesses work, how online businesses make money, the various online business ideas that you can pursue in Kenya, and a step-by-step process of how you can probably go about building whichever online business you decide to actually focus on. However, if you ask me, it is actually worth starting and building an income generating online business as a single mother. Your kids depend on it, and it is also, I think, a very good thing if you can be able to build something that makes money for you. That way, you stop relying on other people when it comes to the financial support that you need to actually raise your kids. You can also actually build it into a level that you'll be able to provide your kids with the best lifestyle that you have ever dreamed about. If you are one of those people who like traveling, an online business gives you that flexibility. If you are a single mother, a single parent who is actually interested in being present as the kids grow, an online business provides you with that opportunity to actually be working from home as you take care of your kids. In today's world, as a single mother, you are actually not limited to the amount of money that you can be able to generate. All is required is for you to be a little bit more creative, a little bit more hardworking, and actually be consistent over probably the next 3, 4, 5 years in building something that can actually change your life completely. And this is something that you will not be the first person to do. Other people have done it. Probably not as many in Kenya or in Africa, but if you go online and look at the women who are doing great things, building online businesses from other developed world, then you realize that this is not something that is far-fetched. It's not an idea that you cannot be able to execute. All you need to do is to probably change your mindset, think differently, and start pursuing the online opportunities that actually are emerging today, not only in Africa, but are successful across the world. Now, if you would want to learn more about this, I want you to watch the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video.